Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must start inside Facebook Lite and be logged into the account you'll change. Once ready, open the app and tap the three-line menu in the top or bottom corner, depending on your device. This menu gives you access to themes and app settings. Starting here saves time versus hunting through different screens. Make sure you have a stable connection so the app can load all options. Now move to settings where the dark mode toggle typically lives. Once in settings and privacy, expand the list and find dark mode or theme. Developers sometimes rename it to theme, so scan carefully. You'll see 3 choices: on, off, or use device settings. Choose on to force dark mode and light, or select use device settings to match your phone's theme automatically. This choice affects contrast and battery use, which is why you should consider on for OLED screens. After choosing, the app should refresh immediately to apply the new look. Now confirm the dark palette is applied across feed, profiles, and menus. If some screens remain light, close and reopen the app to force a refresh. If that fails, clear the app cache from your device settings because stale files can block theme updates. Make sure the app is updated. Older versions might lack a dark mode toggle. As a last resort, reinstall Facebook Lite. This resets files and usually restores missing settings. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.